There's a real feel-good factor.
Whenever they need me, I'm there.
They just need to know that they matter. It's like
a rewarding thing.
So proud.
I was so privileged to have that experience.
Volunteers help us to make the experience of our patients that bit special. We as clinicians and all of the other staff in the organisation can make a good experience, but what our volunteers can do is help us to go the extra mile, make sure it's personal and that we can respond to really unique needs as well. So they're very, very important.
There's such a plethora of really great opportunities for volunteers across the Trust. The chaplain volunteers who provide spiritual support to patients. We take patients from A to B in the buggy. The hospital radio volunteers. We have volunteers at museums, helping with our archives. We have a number of therapy dogs that come in. The staff love them just as much as the patient. They really help to sort of completely change the environment. They bring a lot of joy. Everywhere across the hospital there is more or less a role for a volunteer.
I decided to become a volunteer because I have the passion for helping people. I love the hospital environment. It's somewhere where I'm trying to progress my career. And it's a passion of mine to help people.
I've had a transplant through the NHS, and I just wanted to come and give back, you know, to NHS that has given me so much back, sort of giving my life back.
I'm actually a flight attendant, and I'm long haul, so we get a lot of time off in between flights. So at one point I was thinking about getting another job, and then I suddenly thought I'd always wanted to be a volunteer, but used to be a workaholic, so I never had the time to commit to it. And so what's great with the WIPs, with Barts, is it's very flexible.
People get out of it a sense of working as part of a team. It's really useful to have on a CV that people are involved in volunteering. We also want to promote that the hospital isn't just about ill health.
When I grew up, I wanted to work in a hospital, I wanted to be a midwife. So when the opportunity came, I thought it would be a good way to kind of like be comfortable in the place where I want to kind of spend my time in.
The hours are flexible, it works around you, you don't have to do it. I mean, you can do it in the holidays, at weekends. It's, you know, it's a lovely opportunity to actually experience what's going on at a hospital as well as helping other people.
So we're really excited about the volunteering programme, and we work really, really closely with volunteers in the hospitals. We've supported their work with funding for new uniforms and social events because we know that volunteers are great ambassadors for the hospital and for the charity, and we're all in it for the same thing, and we're here to just make things better for everyone.
We're having that new face coming in who's bringing in, you know, bringing in a smile, bringing in conversation, bringing in the outside world is really important.
I'm a big believer in life of paying it forward, you know, and I just think simple acts of kindness are so important.
Give something back to your community, your NHS, and you get skills that you might not know you have.
You learn a huge amount about hospitals, how they work, you'll make new friends. You'll meet interesting people.
You come here and you help someone and you put a smile on their face. It's so rewarding.
Don't doubt at all. Get into that.
It's the greatest reward that you can do to give back. Yeah, I said definitely go for it.
A great big thank you for giving up their time. They're all so cheerful.
Well, I'd say thank you, a big thank you, because I feel that they are doing good.
Volunteers are definitely superheroes. No two ways about that.
The smallest things that they do make such a huge difference to people's lives.
They are heroes because they are good people come out here and help us and help also the patient.
Lots of people work very hard every day, but these people are coming in their own time and going the absolute extra mile. We are so lucky to have people who do that, and our volunteers are superheroes to me and to everyone around.